Hi my love! Welcome back sa Biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. At eto na nga, kabisyo, sabihin ko sana, eto na nga Boy P. Nagkwento daw ako sa opisina ko. Si Boy P kasi napakadaldal eh. Anyway, my love, eto na nga ating Byahe Sender ngayong gabing ito. Ayan, this one was sent to us over at DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. Alam mo, nangyari na to sa akin before, pero hindi ako umabot hindi umabot pala ako sa ganitong extent. So, I'm sure mabibigyan kita ng magandang payo kasi I think it ended up well for me. So, eto na nga. This one was sent to us at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Basahin na natin ating Byahe Sender of the night na si Mayumi. Dear DJ Lala, itago niyo na lang po ko sa pangalang Mayumi. I am in a relationship and it's been 5 months. Hindi naman po sa nagsisisi ako, pero habang tumatagal nare-realize ko na mali na pumasok kami agad sa relasyon kahit parehas kaming kakagaling lang sa breakup. Gusto ko nang kumawala at mag-focus muna sa sarili ko, sa mga insecurities ko in life. Gusto kong mabuild ang self-confidence ko, pero ayaw niya. Sinasabi niya sa akin na hindi niya daw kayang mawala ako, na magpapakamatay daw siya kapag iniwan ko siya. Ano daw po ba ang dapat kong gawin? Nahihirapan na po ako. Thank you and more power to your show. Sige, quick story lang, no? The reason why I mentioned earlier na this happened to me, hindi naman sa ganitong extremities, pero not exactly this type of scenario, pero I did feel like I made the wrong decision to be in a relationship with someone. Kasi once nandun na ako sa loob ng relationship, I don't think I love him as much as he loves me. Feeling ko, nadala lang ako ng kilig, nadala lang ako ng buyo ng mga kaklase ko, nadala ako ng, sabihin na natin, overwhelming feeling of being loved. So I thought I was in love. But when we got into the relationship already and the relationship is already ongoing, little by little nararamdaman ko na, wait, parang hindi ko siya mahal as much as mahal niya ako. Parang feeling ko, minamahal niya ako more every day. Pero yung akin nagle-lessen. So that's what happened to me. So I ended up breaking that relationship. Though nag-act out ako before kami nag-break, andun yung mga parts na tinataguan ko siya, hinihintay niya ako sa auditorium namin dati sa labas, meron yun front door, merong back door. So ang ginagawa ko, dumadaan ako sa back door, tapos umuwi na ako. Ganun ako. I was so bad. I was so bad. I did not mean to hurt him kasi he is such a good guy. Pero, yun nga, umabot na ako sa ganung point kasi I don't want to hurt him. Andun kasi din yung pressure na yung buong klase is rooting for us. Even our advisors are rooting for us. Pero, I'm not there. Wala na ako doon sa part na in love ako. Andun na ako sa part na feeling ko at alam ko sa sarili ko na I am no longer in love in this relationship. Or should I say, I never was. So that was the feeling. Feeling ko, ito din yon. Ito din tong sitwasyon na to. Though hindi ganyan yung naging reaksyon nung ex ko. Hindi katulad niya na meron ng, yan kasi very desperate na yung moves niya to make you stay. Kasi daman niya na, alam niya na sa sarili niya na you fell out of love. Or for some reason, alam niya na sa sarili niya na you no longer want to be in a relationship with him. Pero dahil kakagaling nga lang kayo sa breakup, ayaw niyang balikan yung pain na naranasan niya kasi I don't even think he has gotten over it. Kumbaga hindi pa siya over that pain, here comes another one. Pero my love, kasi the longer you stay in that relationship, the harder it is for you. Or the harder it will be for you to leave. Kasi mas marami na kayong memories together, mas marami ng days ka nang magpe-pretend that you are a girlfriend, that you are in a relationship with him, that you are his partner, so he's gonna need you more. And yung ganyang klase kasing fear of losing you, he will start demanding for you to show him na you are invested in this relationship, na you are staying in this relationship. So, he is going to demand more from you. Like for example, kung dati ang pagkikita nyo ay 3 days a week lang and you guys are fine with it, ngayon, i-require niya na yung halos 7 days a week kayong magkikita because of the fear na yung 4 days before na wala ka sa kanya could be the reason as to why ayaw mo na sa kanya. So, he's gonna need more of your time now. He's gonna need more of your attention now. He's gonna need more reassurance from you now, and it's gonna be exhausting for you. Nakakapagod yan for you to prove yourself every single day to a person na no longer believes that you love him and only believes dun sa reality that one day, given the opportunity, iiwan mo siya. Alam mo, tama yung tanong dito eh. Sabi ni Crizel Joy Espartero dito sa ating Facebook Live, meron bang taong magpapakamatay dahil lang sa isang babae? Ask ko lang po. Ako kasi talaga, sa totoo lang ako, I do believe na yun ay panakot lang eh. I do believe na yun ay panakot lang. This is a personal thing. And that kind of topic is very sensitive. But that is what I believe. Na pagdating sa ganyang ka-immature na relationship, those are just words. But if you are really fearing for that to actually happen, and gustong-gusto mo na talagang kumawala, there is a way. There is a way on how to address the issue. So you go to the parents, kausapin mo yung mga magulang, kausapin mo yung whoever is closest to your partner, sabihin mo sa kanya yung sitwasyon. Na this is the situation. I know na at some point meron akong kasalanan. I shouldn't have entered this relationship without being ready. I know, and that is my fault. But right now kasi I'm on a position wherein I don't want to continue kasi I don't want to hurt him more. Ayoko siyang paasahin na there will be forever kasi as time goes by, lalong lumiliit yung nararamdaman ko para sa kanya, lalo kung nararamdaman na hindi ako ready for this relationship. Ayoko magstay dahil doon. Ayoko din naman siya iwan ng basta-basta without thinking of his well-being. Kasi whether I like it or not, somehow I am responsible for what this person is gonna feel. So, hihingi lang sana ako ng help sa inyo. I want you to assist him. I want you guys to be there for him. Kasi I'm gonna do this, not only for myself, but for him. Kasi he deserves more. And I cannot give him more. He deserves someone who will love him the way he loves me. Pero hindi ko kayang i-reciprocate kung ano yung binibigay niya. Hindi ko mapapantayan. Hindi ko man lang nga makakalahati yung kaya niyang ibigay sa akin. Kasi I'm not there. Kung ano yung level ng nararamdaman niya, I'm not there. So, hindi ko yun mabibigay sa kanya and he will never be satisfied. He will never feel contented. He will never feel secured. He will never be happy with me. Lagi na lang siya magiging paranoid. He will forever look upon his shoulders thinking that one day I will leave him kasi I will. Kasi alam ko sa sarili ko ngayon, I'm just staying because I am scared. I am afraid that he will actually do what he is telling me that he will do once umalis ako sa kanya. So, yun yung gawin mo, love. Kausapin mo yung whoever is closest to your partner. His family if you must. Kausapin mo sila na you want out of that relationship. Kasi that is not how you start a relationship eh. That's coercion eh. Fino-force ka to stay in a relationship that you no longer be in. Fino-force ka na magstay sa isang relasyon na you are no longer happy in. So my love, seek for help. This is more than, this is way out of my control. This is way out of my hands. This is more of an issue sa kanya at sa family niya na at sa'yo. So you ask for help. Kapalan mo yung mukha mo, tibayan mo yung loob mo, and be decisive on this one. Kasi once you do this, once pumunta ka sa mga magulang niya or anyone closest to him, there's no going back. Hindi mo pwedeng one day ma-realize na, ay, shucks, pinakawalan ko siya, mahal ko pala siya. No. There's no going back. Even when ma-realize mo after his absence na mahal mo pala siya, na gusto mo pala siya sa buhay mo, wag ka nang bumalik. That's the least you can do. Once you leave him now, once na nagpaalam ka sa kanya today, you cannot contact him tomorrow. Ipagpapasa kamay mo na sa mga taong sasalo sa kanya yung kinabukasan niya. Kasi ikaw, you have to be forgotten. Kailangan mawala ka sa sirkulasyon niya kasi it's gonna be hard for him. Even the thought of losing you makes him say things na I don't think he means, pero may certain absolution. So you going back and hurting him again, or you going back after hurting him, is not gonna make things any better. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? So I want you to be decisive. I want you to decide now. This is not a matter na nga, I don't think kasi ready na kami. No, that's bullshit. At least for once in your life, be honest with yourself. Be honest with what you actually feel. Hindi mo siya mahal. Nabigla ka lang, kinilig ka lang, pero hindi ibig sabihin nun may naramdaman kang pagmamahal. Naintindihan mo ko? Hindi totoo yung hindi pa pala ako ready pumasok sa isang relationship, yung mga insecurities. No, that is bullshit, my loves. I told you, naramdaman ko na yan before, but the difference is I was honest to myself and I was honest to that person. Kasi that's the least I can do for him. Be honest with him. Yun na yung least na kaya kong gawin sa kanya kasi he deserves the truth. I cannot say na hindi pa ako ready na yung insecurities, marami pa akong ayusin sa sarili ko, it's not you, it's me. Hindi ko na siya binigyan ng ganun. Kasi he deserves more than that. So you, girl, have to be honest with yourself. Be decisive. Decide today. Am I going to leave him? If I leave him, am I leaving him for the right reason? If I am, then I'll do it. And that's it. That is the only way. Humingi ka ng tulong sa mga taong pwedeng sumalo sa kanya, and yun na yun. There's no going back after that. Hindi mo pwedeng ma-realize after a month or two na mahal mo pa siya and then babalik ka sa kanya. Wag ganun kakapal yung mukha mo. Wag. Winasak mo yung tao, then bear with the thought na winasak mo yung tao. Face the consequences after that. If after a month or two na realize mo na mahal mo pala talaga siya, then suffer the consequences of losing someone you actually love. Tratuhin mo na lang siya bilang totga mo, the one that got away. Naintindihan mo ko? Pero that is the only way, my love. There is no other way. Hindi ko na nga tinitignan dito, hindi ko na tinatouch base yung mga sinasabi niya, because for me, that is a person's word na in pain. That is the pain talking. That's why hindi ko na tinatouch base kung ano yung sinasabi niya. Ang pagfokusan mo na lang, hindi yung sinasabi niya, kung hindi kung ano yung gagawin mo para tulungan siya. And the only way you can help him right now is to let him go. If you cannot love him the way he loves you, or if you cannot be there for him the way he wants you to, as someone he wants you to be, then just set him free. Pakawalan mo na lang siya. And that is the only way. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Pero please bear in mind that this should be a lesson to you. Love is not a game children's play. Not because you are not yet ready. Ibig sabihin yung taong ginawa mo ay hindi rin ready. Not because yan yung nararamdaman mo, feeling mo yun din yung nararamdaman nung taong kinarelasyon mo. Kapag hindi ka pa ready, kapag hindi ka pa pala handa, kapag hindi ka pa pala fully nakaka-get over dun sa breakup mo sa ex mo, then do not enter a relationship. Especially not with someone with a traumatic ex. Not with someone with a traumatic past. Kasi wounded yun eh. Scarred yun. Binuksan mo lang uli yung hiwa na kay tagal-tagal niyang pinahilom. Scabs pa nga lang ang meron siya eh, hindi pa fully healed. Kumbaga yung internals niya, may sugat pa. Binuksan mo lang uli yung hiwa niya eh. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Let this be a lesson to you. Kung hirap na hirap ka, just imagine ano yung hirap nun sa taong yon. He needs to get over his past relationship and now he needs to get over you too. Hindi pa siya tapos sa pain na nauna niyang naramdaman, another blow came in. Just imagine how he feels. If you feel bad because of what I'm saying, then you deserve it. I'm so sorry but you do. Deserve mo to. Kung nasasaktan ka sa mga sinasabi ko, girl, deserve mo to. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Let this be the last person you'll use to move on. Huwag kasi kayo kumuha ng rebound love. Huwag kayong kumapit sa isang tao para lang makalimutan yung ex nyo. Kasi hindi nyo alam kung gaano kahirap yon sa taong kinakapitan yung iahon kayo. Just to wait until that day na bibitawan nyo sila dahil nakaahon na kayo. Stop using other people to get over your past. If you cannot face the consequences of it, do not even think about doing it. Naintindihan mo ko? I just hope you learn from this. Kung ano man yung mararamdaman ng taong yon, pagdasal mo na lang at just hope and pray that those people around him is a lot better than you are. Pero ikaw, my love, anumang yung insecurities mo sa katawan or whatever excuses you have in your body to make you sleep at night, I hope you get over it and get over yourself. Not everything is about you. Kapag meron ka ng ginulo na buhay ng iba, ibang usapan na yun, my love. Naintindihan mo ko? Again, do not use someone else to get over your ex. Do not play and toy with someone's heart. If you are not yet ready to be in a relationship, then wag kang kumapit sa isang tao para maka-move on ka lang. Tapos ngayon sasabihin mo sa akin nahihirapan ka. I'm so sorry, love. This is me telling you that you kinda deserve this. I just hope you learn from it. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, nagawa ko to before. I am no better than you are. Pero hindi kasi yun yung dahilan kung bakit ko siya binitawan. Hindi dahil may insecurities ako sa katawan. But because naramdaman kong hindi ko pala talaga siya mahal and I was honest. I faced isolation of the whole class because of it. Because that is a good guy. Tinanggap kong I deserve that isolation. Tinanggap ko na deserve ko na halos wala akong friends sa classroom dahil sa ginawa ko sa kanya. Because I know I deserve that. Now own up your mistakes. Own up the consequences of your actions. And deal with it. Okay? Lesson to, my love. It will make you stronger, believe me. Kasi it made me who I am today. Claro? Claro. Well, I hope, Mayumi, nakatulong ako sa iyo. I hope nagising kita. Kasi ako, sa totoo lang, I learned that the hard way. It was my 4th year in high school, if I'm not mistaken. Hindi naman siya total isolation, pero I felt the cold shoulder ng mga classmates ko sa akin because of what I did. Kasi sabi ko nga sa iyo, that was a good guy. I hurt someone who is actually good. Though hindi ko pinagsisihan yung ginawa ko kasi I think he'll suffer more being with me, knowing na hindi ko siya kayang mahalin the way he loves me. But that doesn't mean na ginusto ko yung ginawa ko. Nasaktan din ako sa ginawa ko. Pero ginawa ko yun kasi yun yung tama. At hinarap ko kung ano man yung nangyari after that. Kasi I know within my heart I deserve that. That is the first and last time I hurt a guy. Nakasakit ako ng lalaki. What comes after that or what came after that, ako na yung sinaktan. Yun na yung karma ko.